Hey YouTubers, this is my second Minecraft cannon tutorial, and today I have a multiple shot cannon. Shoots up to 4 shots. And yeah, that wall over there, it sometimes hits. It sometimes goes to the right though, so if it doesn't hit it, it's because it went to the right. But yeah, it shoots very far, and it shoots 4 shots, so it's a pretty good cannon. And yeah, I'll teach you how to make it. But first, let's just show you what it can do. As you can see, it goes, fires all 4 shots. That time, one went down here, into this. And the other 4 looks like went to the right. But yeah, there's what the cannon looks like. And next, I'll show you how to make the cannon. Hey YouTubers, this is the making the cannon section of the video. And as you can see, I already have built the bottom layer for you. But this cannon works by, it has each, here I'll show you by here. It has layers of each cannon so that each one has, it holds its TNT rack. So there's 4 racks. Each rack has an extra additional shot. So if you had 5, you'd shoot 5 shots. If you had 3, you'd shoot 3. I like it with 4, so I'm doing 4. As you can see, here's the bottom rack. What it is it's 8 with a dot here, 1 here, and then 2 out like that. And then same thing on the other side. And then you put a water right here, just right there. And then you start wiring it pretty much. You choose the side. So you choose the side that you want to power the TNTs that don't get shot, but actually push this one that way. And I'll just pick the left one. And so what you do on that side is make sure you do not put one here. You put one everywhere but there. So you put one all the way from here. What you do is you actually go out and around. Here, you'll see why. Go out and around like this, because our lever will be right here. The same thing. And on this side though, you have it with redstone repeaters because you want to time it so that this one goes off, it gets ignited just as it's about to be thrown away, so that it gives it more time before it blows up. I put as much as I can neatly, and then put it like that, so it just looks like that for the bottom layer, the wiring. The next layer though, I like to just put these here so that you can just click here, but like this. The next one, you just put a block up here like that. Oops. Put a block up here like that, and then start building the next rack on top. Pretty much you can just, oops. You just build them out all the way to the end. Yeah, so this is the second level for the cannon. Once you get that done, you start wiring it up the steps. You do the exact same type of wiring you did. You do all the way to the end on that one, and almost, or no, then you put one here and fill it up with repeaters. All the way to 4 ticks, always, then put it here. So that's your second level of the cannon. So if I did it right now, I'd shoot 2 shots, but we want 4, so build the next level of it, and you just can do that. That's what I like to do. Just like that. Build it out. And so that. Now to get to this third one, we have to build kind of like an out stair. Just like that. Because it can't reach it without this type of stair. And then you can just connect it like so. So this is for the third level of it. You wire it the same, just as before. And use redstone. Oh, like the other cannon in the first video, you can make this out of whatever material you want. I'm just using clay because, I don't know, I just wanted to make it out of clay. Yeah. Same thing with the half slab. You could use a wooden half slab if you want. So here's the third floor. Now for the fourth and final floor, do the same thing to get the final rail. You can call it. I call them rails. Kind of looks like a rail, you know. But yeah, you make the final one, and then you get to this top stair by you go from here, and then you go back like that. You can trim it up like this, just like that. Oops. Like that. Then do the same thing on the other side. And yeah, after you get the stairs completed, fill it up with redstone. And like all the other floors, wire it the same. Just actually, I put sorry, I almost forgot. I put like what I do is come to here. Wait. Yeah, that's what you do. Just like this. Okay. Then you put on this, since it's getting so high up, the power's kind of draining. So what you do is you put a repeater here and here, and then that, and wire it the same like always. And then for the other side, make the timer the same, 4. But this one here is only 1 tick, so make sure you do not put ticks on these ones. Make them 0 ticks, and then we just connect it like that, and that's the whole cannon design. Now we load it. I start from the bottom, but you can't guess you could load it. But you put it in, just go like this. And you do not get this very last block, the water source block. You do not put any TNTs over it. You just, and these just go by the redstone repeaters. You put 1 by each one repeater, or by each redstone dust on the other side, which is actually powering it. Then you put 1 over it, so it looks like it's 2 on the bottom. And then you get the third one right here, and load that rack. Then the fourth and final rack right here. And yep, there's the whole cannon. It's done. And so, yeah, I'm gonna test fire it now to show you that it works. And yeah, I kind of didn't really talk about it, but you need a block right here for it to fire right. Because if you just have this here, it doesn't actually detonate this TNT. You need a block right here, because the redstone can travel through TNT to get that. And so now that we've done that, it should work. And they fired. Well, thank you for watching. And that was pretty much the video. Please rate, and yeah.